Good morning, everyone. This is a image of the COVID-19 testing site here in San Diego. This is actually downtown San Diego, Fifth Street in Ash or Fifth Avenue in Ash. Um, I do have a video. The video is from my phone, but it was too hard for me to shrink the file. So I'll uh, shrink the file and then I'll post it here. This is a ACE parking that the COVID-19 testers had taken over. So right here is the entrance. So you go through this gate, then there's a tent here where you go through. So it's like one way in, then one way out, and then you exit. It definitely has a eerie feel looking to it. It's gated off. Fifth Avenue is just to the left of the screen here, but Fifth Avenue is a one-way street, so you would have to come up Fifth Avenue, make a right inside the facilities, come this way, and then you would go down the aisle. There's this site. Then down here you have cones. You have the directional cones which tell you to stay in your car. Um, this orange thing is a like a traffic guidance of telling people this is the COVID-19 testing site. So once you go through this site, you get tested. You come through here, and you leave. Um, COVID-19 is no joke. Um, San Diego has many thousands of cases. I think it's about 6 to 8% death rate. Recovery rate is on the high end as well. Just one of the things that the media is just not saying about the active cases. What's the percentage versus those who are contracting COVID-19 and getting better versus those going to an hospital and dying. Of those people who are dying, what was their underlying conditions that they may have had? Um, on one of the news reports that I've seen, it's of those who have died had either high blood pressure, some sort of respiratory uh, conditions that they had previously, um, and that sort of thing. This is definitely a eye opener for Americans, citizens. Just be cautious of what you do and how you go out and live life. One wrong turn, one wrong exposure could be the you getting COVID-19, uh, getting cured from it, walking away, or passing away. All right. In the description box below, there's a discount prescription card that's free. Offered it to any of those who are in need of getting discount prescription medications. The card is for free, so you can go to the link. It's You can put it on your phone, take it to any pharmacy. It works. If you would like to become a distributor of the discount prescription card, there's a link that says become an agent. Go ahead and click on become an agent. It's free to join. You do get residual commissions. All right. Also, got some phone numbers there where you can get quotes for insurance, quote for life insurance. Um, Also, if you're looking for maybe home security or whatever the case may be, there's some phone numbers in there. If you need some legal assistance, um, Some people are going for unemployment, things like that, tenants' rights, all those things. I'll post a phone number for attorney services as well. If you need some legal questions to be answered, call those numbers. They're there to help you. All right. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Have a good day.